So, hello to everyone. First of all, I would like to know who do we have in this audience? Could everybody who are purpose-driven just raise your hands? Do we have some? Okay. And profit-driven? And tech people? Who are others? Okay. In the middle? Okay. My name is Simona. Thank you. You presented me already. Actually, being the daughter of engineer and the mother of a hacker, a couple of weeks ago he hacked Tamo. Lithuanians will know what does it mean. But in the heart, being kind of Mother Therese, I was struggling all the time. What would I like to do? And my business career, like entrepreneurial career, started when I was 12 years old. And the business sector, it was kind of ungirlish, let's say. It was spare parts for trucks. So girl, being 12 years old, going with spare parts for trucks and trying to sell it. It was crazy enough, but at the same time, for me, it was too business, let's say. And years were going, and in 10 years, I decided to leave that family business, let's say, and went more for marketing, like was trying to find out me in my marketing field. And starting from that time, I understood that all my strategies are going towards cause marketing strategies. So some years later, I understood that something is still missing. And this is how Change Makers On was born. And this is how I started to bring together and to mingle tech and social people together to create something good for our world, for society, and for ourselves, of course, while solving all those global challenges. Enough about me, just to present shortly. First of all, I would like to mention a few examples. What does it mean, those Tech4Impact, or how we can empower technologies to make the global impact? I really like the example of pledging what they are doing. So they're really creating impact just with very single button, and while implementing the code which we developed, it's really easy for customers to donate, to give back, and to help businesses, initiatives, etc. So few of examples what pledging did. They are contributing together with Discovery. So maybe you know Discovery's Shark Week. So we raised more than $20 million just for rescue all sharks. The same is with Evite. What we are doing, you can organize your own event for social good with a good purpose, and all money collected are going for solving global challenges which you select and which are for your preferences. eBay. Maybe you have heard already eBay for charity. Then all sellers, they can give back, give away some small percentage from their sales. But what we did right now, we launched eBay Retail Revival Program in UK. And this is 12 months program. They are recruiting small businesses, very local businesses, and helping them to understand and to get all skills how to sell in eBay and how to reach the global market. So this solution is really good and for small businesses, because global markets are open for them, and for consumers, we can find a lot of local goods, local production with very cultural aspects. At the same time, it's really good for cities, because right now we have created, after we launched this program, we have created already more than 250,000 of jobs. So this is good as well, and for economy, of course. Another example, Intel created wheel kit, which is called WooBooks. What it is, this is the kit which can be implemented and used for any wheelchair, for those people who are with limited mobility, not only with their legs, but they are with limited mobility as well. They are not able to press the button on the wheelchair. So we implemented artificial intelligence, and with facial recognition, there are 12 different emotions, what the user needs to do, like to turn head a little bit left, a little bit right, smile just a half, and then wheelchair reacts to that, and you can go wherever you want. So it's really good example how it could be applied for something good. Panda. What we are telling? They are telling that they are giving eyes to ears. There are a lot of visual impaired people around the world. Panda developed the kit connected with artificial intelligence, and as they are calling, augmented audited reality. So you just tell to any your smartphone that you are looking, for example, for a pillow, and using the open data with a collection of millions of images, we are telling you where to go. There you can find it. So your eyes becomes your ears. Another example, Roger Voice and Ava. Both of them, they are solving the problem of deaf people. Roger is, if you're deaf people, is among us, and all of us, we are speaking at one time. We just need to register everybody to the apps. It doesn't matter which phone we use, but it's important to have the smartphone, of course. And every sentence which is said, it's transcribed to written form. Ava is a little bit similar but different at the same time. It's for phone calls. So that means that you call, for example, 112, and everything is transformed to script as well. You see on your phone what you are told, and you can reply, and it's transformed to the voice again. Kind VR. This project was piloted already in 10 hospitals with 2,000 kids to decrease the pain. There are a lot of we are suffering from the pain, and very often it is more psychological, because we are concentrating to that I have a pain, it hurts, etc. So we applied VR technology, a lot of entertaining films, videos, games, and they are putting it for suffering from the pain kids, and kids are like going more deep into that and forgetting that they are ill or they hurt. One more example for fostering plants. First, it was applied in Thailand. It's drones, which are using they're flying with bombs, very biodegradable, full of seeds. So and 70% of those seeds are growing into plants. And those biodegradable bombs, we do not need to care about other waste. So I think those are really nice examples to show that a lot of like a lot of technologies, if we just switch a little bit, our mind could be applied for to bring the impact to our world, and and if cars can be autonomous, at the same time we can apply it for people. If we can apply all technologies for nice to have, so at the same time we can adapt it for not only nice to have, but good for society as well. Maybe you have some questions. Okay, so yeah. Okay. Yeah, so the program Change Makers On, what we do, we help social innovators. We are bringing together innovators, inventors, makers, entrepreneurs, and building social innovators ecosystem, a startup ecosystem, starting with which is full support program, starting with hackathons, boost camps, incubation, academy, and of course impact awards. But the difference is that they are mingling together all those people, like social-minded people together with tech people. And because social-minded people, we have a lot of nice ideas, and they really offer solutions, what could be done, but there is no any technological background and they are not able to implement it. So mingling them together, mingling into teams, we help them to kick off and later on to go on. Yeah, so this is Change Makers On, the community which is growing quite fast, and right now we are in 42 countries already. So, thank you for your attention.